Welcome to the April 27, 2012 edition of Inside Rensselaer about the people, research, and events at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. Preparations are underway for the launch of the new Center for Communication, Cognition, and Culture. Located within MPAC, the center will join researchers from across the Institute in research areas such as cross-modal displays, synthetic characters, and augmented reality, promoting research activities across multiple disciplines. Xavier Intes has won a prestigious Faculty Early Career Development Award from the National Science Foundation. He'll use the award to further his research into a promising non-invasive biomedical imaging technique to help identify and treat cancerous tumors. Doctoral student Manuel Rafael Jimenez-Diaz has been awarded one of Mexico's most esteemed fellowships from the Mexican National Council for Science and Technology. And IBM has announced that computer science alumnus Laurem Sanoroy has received an IBM fellowship, one of only 7 scientists to be named this year. Fellow computer science graduate David Ferrucci was named an IBM Fellow in 2011. The campus community is invited to celebrate the 80th birthday of Pauline Oliveros on May 10th at MPAC. The celebration will feature a recreation of the Fort Worden Cistern, a 2 million-gallon underwater water tank made famous by Oliveros' 1988 Deep Listening album. MPAC will present Marco Iacoboni's Mirror Neurons and Our Capacity for Empathy on May 9th. Iacoboni's work in mirror neurons illuminates the remarkable human ability to accurately interpret the feelings and intentions of others. And on May 13th, Musik Fabrik, one of Europe's foremost new music ensembles, will perform in the MPAC Concert Hall. A group of architecture students raised more than $2,000 and collected more than 1,600 cans of food for area food pantries in the second annual Capital District Construction event, winning the award for Best Use of Labels. Despite the unpredictable mid-April weather, 2 fraternity members left the comfort of their dorms to participate in the annual Sleep Out for the Homeless fundraiser, sponsored by the Omicron Upsilon chapter of the Alpha Phi Alpha fraternity. Most medical imaging equipment is not designed for overweight and obese patients in mind, and these individuals can be exposed to higher levels of radiation during routine X-ray and CT scans. New technology developed by nuclear engineering expert X. George Zhu could help solve this problem, utilizing ultra-realistic 3D computer models and simulations of different body types. Computer scientists and biologists in the Data Science Research Center have developed a rare collaboration to pick apart a fundamental roadblock to progress in modern medicine, uncovering a new computational model called cell graphs that link the structure of human tissue to its corresponding biological function. A new lecture series is dedicated to fostering discussion and public interest in topics related to nuclear engineering research. The Richard T. Leahy Jr. Distinguished Lecture Series in Nuclear Engineering was launched on April 9th. From wind power generation to health monitoring to lighting efficiency and helping combat veterans readjust, students combine their knowledge, imagination, and effort to develop winning ideas in the Office of Entrepreneurship's semi-annual Change the World Challenge. More than 100 area middle and high school students from the Capital Region participated in the 22nd annual Greater Capital Region Science and Engineering Fair on campus last month. And the second Rensselaer Volunteer Summit earlier this month was a big success, according to the event's organizers and attendees alike. The Volunteer Summit is just one part of the reinvigorated Alumni Volunteer Program in the Office of Alumni Relations. A final note, Rensselaer's 206th commencement exercises will be held on Saturday, May 26th, and a wide variety of volunteer roles are available for the ceremony as well as the picnic that follows. If you're interested in volunteering, fill out the online form at the commencement website. And that's it for this edition of Inside Rensselaer. For these stories and more, go to www.rpi.edu/about/inside.